What is up, YouTube? I am on lunch at work, so I'm going to try to get through this pretty quickly because the new shop I'm in, or I've been here before, there's a warehouse next door and a bunch of guys are always wandering around, so let's get through it pretty quickly. Today we're talking about, is the skate park big enough? So a question I got asked a decent bit to the point where I started to get a little annoyed is it going to be big enough? And I understand in the drawing phase where I just had drawings, people asking that, but once the building was up, I kind of got tired of answering that question. So the last person to mention anything about it didn't actually ask that question. They said more of a statement saying, when it's not big enough, what are you going to do with the building then? And that kind of annoyed me. So today that's what we're testing. And the only way I could kind of come up with testing it was, can you do a trick, hit the bank, come back and do another trick? So actually skate it in lines. Now, of course, the quarter pipe isn't built yet, but that's what we're testing first. Then 360s, I require the most space because I pivot most of them, or all of them. And I wanted to see, is 8 feet wide enough? And the last thing is, can I hit a 9-foot flat bar and slide the whole rail? So let's jump right into skating. So the last test, you'll see in the bonus clip what happens when you fall. And I do mean fall, where normally you'd slide it out. And you can kind of imagine what happens. But yes, it's absolutely big enough, and especially once the quarter pipe is in there, I can just cruise back and forth, whether I just want to pump for the day or actually skate flat. And I can't wait until more obstacles are added. And I'm not going to do like a full montage video until more stuff is in there and I can have more fun. But I hope you guys did enjoy this video. And as always, thank you for liking, commenting, and subscribing. Have a great day and keep pushing forward, guys.